She is giving superstar. I'm in your groupie, baby, cause you are my superstar. I'm your #1 fan. Give me your autograph and sign it right here on my heart. Hey y'all, it is me, Diva TT, and I am back with another video, you guys. And today this is gonna be a wig review, okay guys? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, you guys. Join me, Tiffany, and the family. Okay, I am Tiffany, also known as Diva TT on all social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Lemonade, Snapchat. My Snapchat handles are usually DIVATEE, DIVATEE, and they will all be linked down in the description box down below. Okay, guys. So today I wanted to I feel like I'm missing more of my intro. I don't know. I can't remember my own intro. But anywho, y'all, I'm gonna be trying on this wig today, which is called the Cloud 9 Swiss. Let me get in the camera. The Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, hairline illusion lace wig. It is the ZELENA wig. I had opened this wig. This is the ZELENA wig. So you guys, I opened this wig once before. I was gonna wear it to the Renaissance. I was gonna wear it to the Renaissance concert, but guess what? It didn't work out because I knew I was gonna be dancing and my wig was gonna be slipping. So I'm gonna retry this wig on again today. So this is the cap space. It does have 2 combs here at the front, or you would say the sides right here, and it has that back comb at the back, and it has the adjustable straps. This is the cap of the wig. This is the top of the wig as well. I had already put like a little part in here, and I put the makeup already on the lace. So I'm just gonna glue my wig down, and let's just see how she looks. Okay, we're gonna see how she looks. And this is, how about I just show y'all the hair? Ooh, not with lace being in the hair, because I'd already cut the lace, but I just wanted to show y'all how the wig is looking. So it has pretty curls in it, and it is in the color, what color is this? So ZELENA, it is flamboyage blonde. Okay, so as you can see, the pretty blonde blend. This is the color. She is long. She is a long wig. Okay, and I already adjusted the straps on it. All I need to do is pretty much just do the work. So I'm about to put this wig on, and I'm gonna let y'all know what it's giving. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. I have gotten this wig before. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to, I actually cannot find a wig cap, so I'm about to just spray this. Okay guys, so I done laid the wig already. I did the layers of glue. I did like 3 layers. Okay, so I'm gonna have to tie it up. I'm gonna have to tie it up. Okay, let me get my little, let me pull it down in the back. my eyebrow. I don't want it to lay right there. Ooh. Let me get my eyebrow out because it's looking kind of. Ooh. Okay, I slid them out. I need to cut this piece of lace. Ain't nobody gonna be going up underneath my wig anyway. It's cute, but do I want a middle part? Well, there's a lot of lace. It didn't lay. I don't really have a wig thing. Okay guys, so let me get this is so cute. It's so me. It's cute. So I think I'm gonna stick with the this middle part right here. I didn't put no baby hairs down because I just didn't do it. Comment down below if you think I need baby hairs. I might attack this thing too much on my forehead. But no, not really. It's cute. And the last time I put it on, I had already prepped the wig. I had made a part and I had already flattened the wig out and everything, so I really didn't need to do that. It has a lot of curls in it. I think it's really a pretty color, and I look like, damn, who is that girl? So yes, y'all, this is the ZELENA wig in the color Flamboyage Blonde. Why can I talk? In the color Flamboyage Blonde. Okay, I just want to make sure y'all can see it. Go out and get you one, okay? It has a 13 by 6 customized, already pre-plucked hairline. So I really didn't have to do anything. I pretty much just put it on and there's really nothing to do. I just had to tack it down. I tied my edges and it's doing pretty good. I just put makeup in the cap. I didn't really show y'all that part, but I kind of already had makeup already in the wig space. And it's very much undetectable. Okay? If you don't want to put any baby hairs, you really don't have to. So yes y'all, okay? So this is the look. Okay, and I'm gonna try to get a picture of the back of the wig so y'all can just see, but the curls have already fallen. I didn't cut anything. I like the length and I like the color most of all. So this is in the color ZELENA, in the color Flamboyage Blonde, and like I said, I didn't tell y'all, I already had this wig in a reddish color, so I was like, you know what, I'm about to get this wig. This is a staple wig, so I want to make sure I get it in every color. So this is my first time trying this color, and I'm gonna try to insert a clip maybe at the end of this video and show y'all the color in red ZELENA. Okay, so yeah, this is one of those, and this is a synthetic wig. Okay, synthetic wig, and I think she's cute. She's giving. Okay, let's see the color, more of the blonde color. It has like highlights of the, I'm gonna say, what is that color? 613 color. that really light blonde. So I really like it. Okay guys, so yes, this is the look, guys. And yeah, I had already customized it. It was just a matter of me putting the wig on. Put the wig on, okay? So yes, I liked it. I liked it the last, like I said, I have this color, this wig in another color already. So I already knew what ZELENA was gonna give again, okay? In a different color. So it don't matter what color you buy ZELENA in, ZELENA gonna give every time, okay? So this is the second time she done gave. Now next time I'm gonna have to do it a third time and go and buy me a 1B ZELENA. We're gonna try ZELENA in 1B, and let me see. This is you could switch the parts too. Let me see. Let's see how that looks. Well, I don't think you gotta make sure you part it in the parting space of the lace up here. Like, let's see. So yeah, I can make a side part if I really want to. I can make a side part. Let's see how she giving with it's going over to the side. You gotta play with her. Not too much, because you don't want your curls to fall. These curls and these wigs will fall, but look, it still looks cute even with me just giving it a crossover. I think it's cute. I don't think it looks wiggy. And if I really wanted to wear it in the side, I'm gonna go back to my original part that I created, because that's really how I want to wear it. But I just wanted y'all to kind of see how it will look with like a side part. But I don't want to wear it in no side part. But it would look cute either way. Like, no matter how you try to, I'm just parting this with my fingers, but no matter how you try to put her, she gonna be cute regardless. Because last time when I had the red one, it was like a reddish color, I wore a side part. So yeah, and it's still giving what it's supposed to give in this color right here. So ZELENA is one of my favorite. I'm gonna say it's a favorite out of all the wigs, and this is from the Cloud 9 Swiss Lace collection from Sensationnel. And yes, it's giving, I think it's giving pretty cute. Okay, gotta give y'all a smile. Okay, I'm not wearing it like this, and if I really wanted to wear it like this, of course I will blow dry it down, but I'm not gonna blow dry it down because I'm not wearing it. Let's see, do I still like the middle part? I think middle part is cute. We're gonna go with middle part. I never really wear a middle part. I always wear a side part. Side part be my go-to. I didn't tied it up, and the lace right here is still kind of coming up a little bit, but I'm gonna be leaving in a minute. So yeah, I like it, and you don't really have to. I like it because you don't really have to wear baby hairs if you don't really want to. So that is a plus, okay? Okay, y'all, so I am Tiffany, also known as Diva TT, on all social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat. Diva T87 on Snapchat. Y'all go on and follow. Give me a follow, okay, over there. And yes, make sure you subscribe to me on YouTube, okay? Turn on your post notifications so that every time I post, you guys will be notified. And yes, you don't want to miss a video, okay? I need to get more consistent. Yes, I do. But I just love it. I feel like I look like a superstar. Okay? Superstar, okay? Superstar, okay? So make sure you thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like more videos like this, make sure that you guys comment down below and leave me your opinion. How do y'all like ZELENA? I like ZELENA. So if you see it on my page, it's gonna clearly be a favorite of mine, okay? So, and this is definitely one of the favorite wigs, okay? So don't say I didn't tell you, okay? This wig is cute. Go and get you one, okay? It's just a synthetic wig. It's reasonable. I forgot how much I spent on it, but you can do a quick Google search. So ZELENA, you can get her on different websites. I think you can order, different websites. It's between the price range of $39 maybe to $45 dollars for ZELENA. Maybe, $42. It's in the 40s, okay? So I'm gonna say, for a synthetic wig, it's a nice little price, you know what I'm saying? But I think she's worth it, okay? Because last time I got my ZELENA wig, I wore her several times before it even started to mat up. So I like that about it. That's why I tried it again, and we're gonna do it again in black because I like this color. So I'm gonna order it in black, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all with another video, okay? I am Tiffany, also known as Diva TT on all social media platforms. I already told y'all that. I love you guys. This is the look. So this is the look. Okay, okay. She is giving superstar. I've been your groupie, baby. Cause you are my superstar. I'm your #1 fan. Give me your autograph and sign it right here on my heart. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Okay, I love you guys so much. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. Peace.